Happy Tuesday, students. Hopefully yesterday you were very successful in writing your introduction draft for your essay. Today we're going to look at the conclusion. Of course, those are very similar. Hopefully you've already watched the mini lesson Ed Puzzle and answered that one question. That's only a 4-minute video. So if you didn't already watch it, make sure that you do watch it before you complete your final slide. This is my sample slide. This is the final slide on your essay process PowerPoint. There are a couple questions up here at the top to think about. Why do New Year's goals and resolutions matter? What are you looking forward to in the new year that is related to those goals? All right, so if you look at my boxes down here below, I restated my thesis in different words. So I put, in this new year of 2021, I will try my best to find time to read, work out at least 4 times a week, and be creative in trying new things in the classroom. And then type your concluding thoughts or statement, okay? So when you're restating your thesis statement, if you have to copy and paste it from the introduction slide, you can do that, but you need to make sure then that you change it. It shouldn't be exactly the same. It shouldn't even be close to the same, all right? Remember, we want to, change up the wording, use synonyms and different sentence structures. We're going to say the same goals. We're not going to change our goals here. We're just going to say them in a different way, okay? And then finally, my concluding thought. I know that it will not be easy, but I am sure that my friends, family, and coworkers will support me. I hope that I will be able to keep my goals and make 2021 the best year ever. Okay, so this is not a very long conclusion, but this is the conclusion that I think will work really well for my essay. Remember, your intro and conclusion paragraphs are not going to be full of content. Okay, they are going to be shorter than your body paragraphs, and that's okay. All right, so let me show you my example. This is what it looks like in paragraph form. In this new year of 2021, I will try my best to find time to read, work out at least 4 times a week, and be creative in trying new things in the classroom. I know that it will not be easy, but I am sure that my friends, family, and coworkers will support me. I hope that I will be able to keep my goals and make 2021 the best year ever. All right, and you notice that I did restate my thesis from my introduction, okay? So now you're going to make sure that when you complete that slide, go back, make sure all your slides are completed, and you're going to go ahead and submit it through Schoology, okay? So that I know that you're completely done with the, the essay process drafting, all right? And then tomorrow we're going to be talking about how to start our rough draft, and we really almost have part of our rough draft. We need to transfer it to a Word document, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do that tomorrow. All right, well, have a great Tuesday, and remember to reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns.